Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to change the leverage on AvaTrade. Right now, if you click here on our account and we click on see all, you will see this page where is no option how you can change the leverage. So the only way how we can do this is clicking here on chat with us, and then ask the chatbot, how can I change my leverage on AvaTrade? Then he is telling us if your account is under an European regulation, the leverage is automatically set to, and then you will see here exactly all the leverages on the trading platform. You can check if you are eligible to apply for a professional trader account with higher leverage, and you can do this by just clicking then here on this website, and then they are telling you right here what you need to do, how to become an Ava professional. So you have 1, sufficient trading activity in the last 12 months. You have 2, a relevant experience in the financial service sector. And then right here, you have the financial instrument portfolio of over 500,000. So these are the 3 things that you need to have to become a Ava professional. But this is the only way how you can change the leverages on AvaTrade. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.